How to create a Snapchat account. Now in order to create account in Snapchat, just simply open your Snapchat app and after that you will see this page. After opening Snapchat app, you just simply need to select any of these continue with Google or sign up option in order to create a Snapchat account. If you want to do it quickly, choose continue with Google option. After selecting continue with Google, you just simply need to pick up a Google account in order to create your Snapchat account. And after selecting the Google account, tap to continue, and after that you can give access to your contacts and phone if you want to, otherwise leave that as it was. And then select your date of birth and tap to agree and continue. Then you need to set a username for your account. You can customize the username by tapping into change my username. Just simply customize it as you want, and after customizing the username, you just simply need to tap to continue. After that, set up a password to secure your Snapchat account. Let me do it real quick. And after setting up your password, tap to continue button. Now, after setting up this much, you just simply need to enter your phone number in this page. If you don't want to set up phone number, you can skip it as well. And after that, you can create your Bitmoji. You can also skip it if you want. You can do it later and set up it anytime you want in the future. So this is how you can very easily create Snapchat account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.